Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to archive multiple reels you've shared by date on Instagram on your PC with the new update. So let's get started. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. Once you're logged in, navigate to the bottom left corner and click on the More icon or the three dots. Next, click on Your Activity from the menu that pops up. This will take you to the section where you can view all your activity on Instagram. From the Photos and Videos section, navigate to the Reels section. Here, you will be able to see all the reels you have shared on your account. Click on the Sort and Filter option. Now, you will see a calendar appear, where you can enter the start date and the end date for the period of the reels you want to archive. Once you have entered the dates, click on Apply. Next, click on Select to choose the reels you want to archive. You can select multiple reels by clicking on each one. Once you have selected all the reels you want to archive, click on the Archive button. You will be prompted to confirm this action. Confirm the step, and your selected reels will now be archived on your account. You can access them later by going to your profile and clicking on the Archive option. And that's it. You've successfully archived multiple reels by date on Instagram on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.